Hornbill TV is here outside the White House of the United States of America. This is the White House which gathers thousands of visitors every year. Let me read some of the truth, some of the facts that have been written here. Even behind me right now, there are so many tourists who are here just to witness the White House. Let me read some of the facts that are written here. On July 16, 1790, Congress passed the Residence Act establishing a permanent capital for the United States along the Potomac River. President George Washington worked with French engineer Peter Charles to select the sites of the federal building, including the White House and the United States of Capitol. And this was how this place was chosen to build the White House. Let's get some people's views on how they feel coming to the White House. We will speak to them, we will get some of their views and how happy they are. So far, how long have they been planning to come here and how they finally feel to be seeing the White House here. Although there are some barricades, there are like few barricades and it's very sure that we will not be able to enter. However, we will try to speak to people, get their views on how they feel coming here, finally getting to see the White House of the United States of America. How do you feel coming to the White House and is this your first time?
Yeah, this is my first time.
Okay. Are you from India?
Yeah, I'm from India.
Okay. What is the feeling like? We've always heard of the White House of the United States time and again.
Very nice.
Okay,
And
okay.
feeling very happy to see White House.
Okay, okay.
No, I'm excited, but the picture that I have seen on television screens always is quite different from what I can see here. And I think, I mean, the fence that they have put up has made it a little bit difficult to take pictures. But I think coming here, standing in front of White House is really exciting experience that I never thought I'm going to have so early. But it feels really great.
From the Philippines?
From the Philippines. Is this your first time in the United States?
No, we live in Hawaii, but my origin country is in the Philippines.
But is this your first time seeing the White House?
Yes.
What does it feel like getting to see it physically?
It feels like I'm in America. Yeah. And then that's all I can say. Thank you very much.
Thank you for speaking to us.
Gianna, Ohio.
Ohio. Is this your first time coming here to the to Washington DC?
Yes.
Yes. How does it feel like getting to see the White House in person?
It's amazing. It's a great experience.
So this was Hornbill TV speaking to some of the visitors who are here to see the White House in person. For a lot of them, it is their first time here coming to the White House. And for Hornbill TV as well, this is our first time doing a ground report in the United States. And this may be one of the first time a television channel from Northeast might be coming here and doing a ground report. And this is a big opportunity for Hornbill TV as well, and a big opportunity to show this to our viewers as well. This is Hornbill TV reporting outside the White House, United States of America. Reporter Christine Kehua.
Do you really know what you're eating? Not all eggs are the same. Choose Junaki eggs you can trust. At Junaki, quality begins at the source. Fresh, safe, and perfect for your family.
Every Junaki egg is lab tested for safety and harmful bacteria.
Bring home the nutrition your family truly deserves.